Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to create PayPal accounts with your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. So I'm going to simply click on my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on new tab right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to make use of address bar right here. Then what you want to do is to simply type in paypal.com, then press enter. Just like so, it's secure right here. So you can simply go ahead and create an account on the web, or better still, you can open on the app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply create an account on the web straight up. So for me to do that, I will simply click on login right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on sign up. So at this point here, I need to enter the email address for the account. So I'm going to simply click on here and enter the email address straight up. Then having entered your email address, next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then right here, click on I'm a human. Then right here, you need to enter your phone number. Having entered your phone number, next thing you need to do is to simply click on next. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on I'm a human. Then at this point here, you will need to create your password. So I'm going to simply enter my password straight up. So having entered your password, click on next. So click on here and choose your nationality. So right here, I'm going to simply choose Nigeria by default. But if you are not in a current nationality, simply choose anyone you belong to. Right from here, I'm going to choose Nigeria. Then enter your name according to you have it on your international passport or driver's license. So I'm going to simply enter my name just like so. Then I enter my last name right here. Then enter my date of birth. Then I click on next. Then right here, you need to enter your address. So I'm going to simply enter my address. I'm going to enter my address straight up. So after I enter my address, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on agree and create an account. So it's going to take us to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down and then we'll click on Not Now. Then right here, we make sure we click on Not Now. So just like so, an account has been successfully created, just like what you see right here, and you can navigate your account and submit necessary documents to validate the account and have access to your fund. So what you need to do to simply click on here to verify your account, it's as simple as that. You will need to submit your international passport or driver's license to verify your account and start using the account to receive fund and sending fund out without any stress. So basically, this is how to create a PayPal account with just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.